Yes. I'm quite confident that I can speak in English and also can do conversation with people.
You have no any problem to speak English?
No, I'm quite confident.
Makes us feel very comfortable even in 15 days also. He gives opportunities of different kinds of, you can say that he used to take students to the outdoor sessions.
See, apart from indoor classes, we got outdoor classes also. Here you can see that so all the students are doing conversation and that help us to present ourselves before the audience.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Neelu Gupta.
Neelu.
Yes.
So since when have you been studying in Rebel Spoken English?
I have been studying here for last 5 or 6 months.
5 or 6 months?
Yeah.
Okay. So now you can speak English very well, I think that.
Yes. I'm quite confident that I can speak in English and also can do conversation with people.
You have no any problem to speak English?
No, I'm quite confident in English.
Okay. What is the experience? Can you share with my fans?
Yeah, sure. I have joined Rebel in last 5 months, and I think my experience was really very great. Here we got so much opportunity. Like you can see, apart from indoor classes, we got outdoor classes also. Here you can see that so all the students are doing conversation, and that help us to present ourselves before the audience. That will give us confidence. So we feel confident, and also in indoor class we also got opportunity to deliver our topics so that we can put our point of view. And if I talk about sir is really very humble person. He teaches you everything, like not only English, but he helps you at every moment in your life, whether you are stuck in your career, what you should do in your life. He's really very helpful, and he is very friendly with us. Like he's like our friend. Whenever we need any help, he's always ready. We feel like he's our friend. We share everything, and he is someone like not like so much rude teacher type. If I talk about Kanhaiya sir, he's really courteous person. He's really very humble. And if I talk about my experience, then also I have seen the best teacher here, my favorite teacher, and he is the one of the best teacher I can say I have met in my lifetime. That is Kanhaiya sir.
Okay.
And more about classrooms, then also in classroom we go for group discussion session on the current topics. So we keep ourselves updated. Because of that group discussion, everyone share their opinion. So because of exchange of opinion and thoughts, we got new ideas also. So that is really helpful for us to grow, for a personal growth or for the growth of the group also. So that's all. Sir give both outdoor class and indoor class. In outdoor class you can see, and I told you about indoor class.
Okay. What would you like to say for that kinds of student who is beginner, who doesn't know how to speak English?
I would like to say that if you join Rebel, definitely you will see the confidence yourself, and English is the thing that you cannot learn by theory. It is not a theory. It is something that you have to do in practical. So when you come to the Rebel, if you talk to us, do conversation, then definitely you will grow up and you will learn English smoothly. And sir has the talent that he doesn't use so much hi-fi words and all. He uses simple sentences. He on step by step he taught us. He also taught us the grammar section and also give us practical experience. He give us platform where we do conversation with the students. So in day-to-day life, the best part is that he help us to do conversation in day-to-day life, not like for writing emails and all, like for a big level. How we can use that English in our day-to-day life, that is important, and that is the best part of the Rebel, I will say.
Okay. Thank you very much. And what is your experience? Since when have you been studying?
From last 15 days I joined Rebel recently, so it's my first experience, and my experience I can share from last 15 days that sir provides a lots of things with us, and he makes us feel very comfortable even in 15 days also. He gives opportunities of different kinds of, you can say that he used to take students to the outdoor sessions. He gives interview with people of high classes also. These things make me feel really happy, and people are not used to sharing these kinds of activities with each and every student. He used to focusing with even the students who are very poor in the class, and he used to separate the students who are unable to learn things fastly, and he separates the group and teaches the students you can say that he focuses the students on particular on the ground, or you can say on the ground level. So that's all I want.
So now what are you doing to improve your English? Are you doing something to improve your English?
Yeah, I used to conversate with my friends. You can say the classmates, or my family friends. Also, they are used to means we are used have a conversation at night for last 1 or 2 hours. You can say.
Okay, thank you very much and nice to talk to you.
Yeah, me too also.
ओके बाकी आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी कमेंट में अपना राय जरूर दीजिएगा और इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिएगा। मिलते हैं किसी और वीडियो में, देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।